Welcome to the Biden administration's bid to encourage chip manufacturing and bring the industry back to America. We're here to explain why the Biden administration has started this initiative and what it means for the American economy and future of chip manufacturing. To begin, the administration has enabled an application procedure with guidelines for semiconductor manufacturers who want to access incentives under the U.S. CHIPS and Science Act. These incentives alone have been allocated a staggering $50 billion to revive the U.S. semiconductor industry, including $39 billion in direct funding to restore U.S. leadership in semiconductor manufacturing, support good-paying jobs across the semiconductor supply chain, and advance U.S. economic and national security as stated by the Department of Commerce. As part of this aims, the first direct funding under the CHIPS program is designated for the construction, expansion, or modernization of commercial facilities for the production of leading-edge, current generation, and mature node semiconductors. The applicants have to abide by certain conditions as set out by the Department of Commerce, such as offering affordable, accessible, reliable and quality child care provision for their facility and construction workers. Additionally, applicants are strongly encouraged to utilize project labor agreements for construction projects by the Department of Commerce. The Biden administration's efforts to reinvigorate the semiconductor industry come at the heels of a semiconductor shortage globally due to the pandemic, which the administration has labeled as an issue of national security as many military applications and cybersecurity tools depend upon the availability of semiconductors. The U.S. has seen its global share of semiconductor manufacturing capacity decline from 37% in 1990 to 12% in 2022, as other countries incentivize their semiconductor industry. Noting the significance of this industry to the U.S., President Biden has made it clear in his own words that he wants to ensure that America is going to lead the way in microchip manufacturing. This intention has resulted in a set of bills named the CHIPS Act, which was signed by Biden in August 2020. Following this, many chip-making giants have made investments in the industry including TSMC, Samsung and Intel. The Biden administration is optimistic about the semiconductor industry's potential in the American economy, as it provides good-paying jobs, contributes to economic and national security and provides the foundation for further technological advancement. It is a step in the right direction for the American industry as it reaffirms their commitment to lean manufacturing and innovation.